my amazing soul family. How are you guys doing? So, as I do the reading, the time is 0000. So, whatever you wish to manifest right now, please do, because it is really going to work for you. My creative juices are working really well. Okay, so this is going to be a very intuitive psychic reading for all signs. Okay, best for the viewer kind of reading. So, what's coming up for you for the next 72 hours specifically? The 9 is the number that I'm focusing on because that's what they show me, a 9, a big 9. So it's a master number. You can check the meanings and you'll get to know what I'm really talking about. Why the 9 and what do you need to see? With the Ace of Wands already out. So this is about inspiration. This is about fire, of course. So let's see what is it that's really picking you at the moment. This could resonate in any dynamic with you, okay? So as long as you feel stable, you feel grounded, you feel good, you'll stay inspired, right? So just check your waters in regard to your sun, moon, rising, as I said, because some people are a little hung up on that. But this is psychic, this is intuitive. Keep that in mind, okay? And all my information available in the description box. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not, because that brings about a lot of joy to me and to you as well. And giving is receiving. Just saying, okay? So what do we need to see, Michael, for the collective watching? What is that belief? What is this inspiration? What is this amazing shift happening in their life? What is it? You're walking away from deceit? What kind of deceit? Let's see. Ooh la la. So we have the Three of Wands. Okay. So when we talk about Three of Wands, it's about waiting. This is about you manifesting, and you're waiting for your manifestations to turn into reality, which is so fab true. The Four of Wands are turning into reality. Trust that. As I said, I was starting the reading, the time was 0000. So that means that you are in that capacity, and this is one, my love. So you are in the capacity to make what you want out of your life. Just believe in it. If you believe in the magic, it is there. If you don't, it just doesn't work. Okay. So whatever you're planning could be an important I don't know, get together with somebody that you so want to be with. Could be like a workspace, conference kind of thing. Could be any. This show me like a get together kind of vibe. But this thing, whatever you're thinking about, if it's love, it is very, very abundant. It is going to bring in the best in you. You just have to trust it. Maybe you're not trusting it anymore. Absolutely. You have to make peace with yourself. Whoever is watching this, mark my words, make peace with yourself first. Then you will be able to see the beauty in the other side of life. Then you will be able to avoid the confusion and the chaos that makes you feel a little at the crossroads and makes you feel that, this seems very unpredictable. Okay, that's nice. Whatever happens, it happens for the good, right? You cannot predict the time frame. People do that, I agree. But the idea is that the inner force is leading you. It's guiding you. Are you attuned with it or not? No, because that is where your energies are coming around so scattered. See, we have the star. You have to make peace with yourself first. You have to heal it. Aquarian, you have to remind yourself that Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is what I see. You have to remind yourself that, you cannot cage air. We do that, yeah, I know, we do that in the oxygen cylinders and all of that. But you cannot cage air, right? It's not supposed to be caged. So you have to heal, you have to make peace with something that is disturbing you, that is kind of bothering you, and see what is this bringing in. They gave me these cards, and outright, I'm taking it. Why? Because they befit. Because once you do that, you would be in the Nine of Pentacles energy. You would be far more comfortable. You would not stand confused. You would not stand confused at all, because 6 and 9 is more like karmic. So this could be a karmic equation. I posted a karmic relationship reading and the truth about it. Do watch that. This is about you knowing you. You trusting that, okay, this particular equation or this particular relationship specifically, because this talk screams love to me now. With the 9 of Cups, this is wish fulfillment, and you don't see that with 2 9s. I told you, they show me the number 9 when I was starting the reading. This is really about you coming full circle. What you think is karmic is not karmic. This is a confirmation. Trust me. What you think or who you think is a karmic is not a karmic. Whoever is watching this message is for you. There's huge, massive, big love that you guys have. Okay, and that's what the spirit is saying, shouting. You've got two aces here, you've got two nines here. Okay, you've got four of wands here. So ideally, the truth is that this is so real, and you are just standing a little confused because, as I said, the energies are such, right, as of now. But you would get the clarity because you'll be able to deal with the chaos and the conflict going forward. Because this reading, whenever you watch, whichever part of the world you're in, and whenever you watch this reading, my love, this reading screams that the one you're thinking about is not a karmic. Okay, that person is meant to be in your life for spiritual upliftment. This person is here for your upgrade. This person is here to promote you in your physical and your mental state to match your wavelength. Okay, because equals match. It's a 9 and a 9. It's a stable, strong, sensitive connection which has strong foundation to it. Okay, it also has the kind of sensitivity and the gentleness that it needs. So this is earth, this is water, this is air for me, Aquarian, with the two of cups popping out my mind. This is like huge. This is huge love for whoever is watching right now and resonating. I think there's big love coming your way, and it has a blessing of your ancestors, your sacred ones, the deities you believe in. They say that, whoever it is you're thinking about, they approve of that person. Okay, so whenever you see this reading, next 72 hours, this is going to be really amazing. Going forward, the one I think this particular relationship is fabulous. You guys should really give the ignition and go for it. I just think, with the fire energy that I see here, so much, and with the Cancer and the grounding energy which is available here, wow, this is so amazing. I think you guys should really make peace with it and understand that this is so meant to be. You can't do anything about it. You can't escape it, honey. Karma says you can't escape it, because this is going to happen this way or that way. Okay, so will you, should you? That is something that time is going to tell you, right? So I shall see you the next time until eternity, and do like and subscribe to the channel, and I send you so much of love, joy, peace, happiness from this little space. Bye for now until eternity. Bye.